Well, hi there, welcome back. Dan again from Clean Guru. Have you noticed it seems like everything is being recorded by cameras all the time, right? Because of the smartphones, seems like everything from when you go to the store, when you're in traffic, all of these things are being recorded so often. And sometimes, many times, right, there's embarrassing and even really kind of disrespectful, crazy things we see, whether it be YouTube or Reels. We see these short little clips of often how badly we can act, right? Now, we're all human, I realize that. But boy, it really is eye-opening. You know, it really is. You wonder to yourself, listen, whether or not you think phones and everyone recording everything is a good idea, or whether you think it's a bad idea, either way, it's a wake-up call. It really tells you, listen, look at this. How many times do I act like a crazy person, a disrespectful person? How often do I not do the adult, mature thing? I'm sure it's more often than we'd like. So I was just thinking today that whether it's in our houses, our homes, whether it's in our businesses, our cleaning companies, if during the day in the cleaning business or in the evening when you're running it too, if you thought it was always being recorded, every interaction that you had with a supervisor, a cleaner, one of the prospects of yours, a vendor, a customer, if all of those were being recorded, like the world seems to be being recorded, would you be proud of how those interactions are going? Would I be proud? And if we're not, maybe it's something to think about, kind of remember ahead of time and say, now, wait a minute. You know, am I trying to do the best I can in this situation? Maybe it could help us improve a little bit. Till next time, remember, you can do this. You really can.